So we've got a big bundle of rope here. It's a bit of a mess. Let's look at how to coil and store our ropes. First, I'm just going to drop the end of the rope on the ground, keep the running end. Let's take a look at this. This is 3-strand rope. And the lay goes to the right, which is clockwise. So we're going to coil this clockwise. Most 3-strand rope has a clockwise lay. So I'm just going to take the running end in my hand, shake the rope out. I'm going to go clockwise. You can make this as small or as long as you want, but we'd like to keep them even. Again, nice and neat, keep them even. The rope will, like your garden hose, get a bit of a twist in it. Again, keeping the strands even. And there we go, so even. And we've got some end of the rope, so what we'll do is we'll just take a couple turns around the rope. Hold this here, a couple turns around the top of the rope. And all we really need to do is come through the loop that we made up the top. And if you left enough rope, you could tie this off to something, or just like this, hang it up. Stored like this, the rope will dry rather than laying flat, where a flat rope that's wet will just stay wet. So there's one way to coil your rope, keep it neat, keep it from getting damaged, and allow your rope to dry out.